it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing with you what I'm calling a next level paper bag mini album. I did this one in a love theme design for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And I thought it would just be really cute as a holder for Valentine's cards you receive, to make little notes of the things that you did on Valentine's Day through the years, to include pictures of maybe you went out to dinner, or, you know, pictures of you and your special loved one. So yeah, I kind of designed the interior to accommodate that, and I will show that to you in a minute. Let's start here with the cover. The image that I used on the cover is a banner that I cut down a little bit to fit on my cover, and I purchased this set of banners at Amazon, and I will link those as well as all the products that I used in the description box below if I can find them. I did do some stitching around the banner with some gold metallic thread, and then I backed it on this champagne glitter cardstock from Anna Griffin. These dies are also from Anna Griffin. This is part of her Flourishes die set. I stitched around this cover page with my sewing machine, again with that gold metallic thread. I used this coffee dyed lace, just thought that was a pretty accent, and I included some little rhinestone accents on it just to give it some sparkle. This is part of a piece of trim from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut that one flower out and glued it on there. And this is how the trim looks when it's intact. So I just decided to use that on the spine, and I think it looks really pretty. And then on the back of the book, you're getting a sneak peek of a Craftspire, I'm calling it a book plate dice, that I will be reviewing on my channel in the next couple of days. Thought this came out really cute. It says love in the center, and I did accent it with a couple of little rhinestones. This album measures 6 7/8 by 8 1/2. And it has a 2 1/4 inch spine. Let's check out the inside. Paper that I used to decorate my album, it's a couple of different digital kits that I purchased off of Etsy, and of course I will link those in the description box below. I backed this journaling card on some shimmer gold cardstock from Recollections, and I made it into a tuck spot, and in that tuck spot I've got this little envelope. Got a little seal on the back. I don't have anything in there yet, but this would be a great place to put a little love note. And this just tucks right back up under here. I did embellish this with some jewel dazzle embellishments that I buy at Paper Wishes. I just love that image. On the first page, we've got these flaps, and they open up like this to reveal a frame in the center. I have included an image inside of the frame, but I also am including a template so that the recipient of this can trace around it and replace this one with their own photo if they choose to. Each of these flaps is a pocket, and I've made these inserts for the pocket. These will accommodate 4 by 6 photos. I just left those blank so it didn't get too bulky, and left plenty of room for the photos. So there's one on each side. And then in the top, this is a very deep pocket, and I've included this photo mat. Put some trim along the top. It's blank on the back for journaling or to add a photo. And this pocket is definitely large enough that you could include Valentine's cards that you receive. So all of these pages are top-loading pocket pages. The next set of pages are twin pages, pocket pages, and they each have journaling cards in them backed on the gold shimmer cardstock and left blank on the back for journaling or to put a photo. In this pocket, I've got this cute little envelope with a seal on the back and a couple more journaling cards, also blank on the back. This is the next set of pages. This page just has a frame, and again, I'm including a template for this shape, so you can replace this photo with one of your own. And inside of this pocket is a photo mat with some fun glitter heart trim up at the top. It says "To My Love," and blank on the back to add your photos or journaling. This page is another pocket page with more journaling cards or photo mats, however you choose to use them. On this page, we start out with another set of the pocket flaps, and these each contain 4x6 journaling cards or photo mats. As we open that up, we've got another frame with this beautiful angel image, little Dazzles sticker right there. And inside of our top loading pocket, we have this photo mat, again using that glitter heart trim. This frame also has a beautiful rose image that can be replaced with your own photo. Some Dazzles stickers to decorate it in a pink color. And then here, we've got our photo mat. Again, some of that beautiful gold trim up at the top. Here we have another set of twin pocket pages, more photo mats or journaling cards. Here we have this cute little journaling card, left blank on the back, and a couple of photo mats. There's also room in these pockets to tuck your own special memories. As you can see, the design just repeats. We've got this frame over here, decorated with the Dazzle stickers, beautiful image right here that can be replaced with your own photo. And this is the photo mat in that top loading pocket. Another set of pocket flips that each contain the 4x6 photo mats or journaling cards, however you choose to use them. And these open up to reveal this beautiful frame with this cute image and a little Dazzle sticker. And here is the photo mat in that page. Just think these images are so beautiful. And on the last page, got some goodies in here. We have a photo mat, and another orientation of photo mat. And then we've got this cute heart that is actually a pocket, so you could tuck something, you know, cute inside of there. Again, little love note, tickets from maybe something you attended on Valentine's Day. Completely up to you. And on the inside cover, I decorated it with this pocket. This is a die from Anna Griffin. And I put some jewel dazzles on that. And inside of the pocket, I've just got this cute doily that I've put this image on. I just thought that was really pretty, and it could be used to decorate your album, or you could even use it as a card topper if you wanted to. And also inside of the pocket, I've got this envelope, and I've left this open so that you can use it for journaling. Just closes back up like that. And I've also put some of that coffee dyed lace up at the top, just for a little decoration. And that is my album. I had so much fun designing and making this album, and I'm working on a tutorial that I will be posting this coming weekend. So be sure to look for that, and that will show you how I made the base structure, including how I mean, all of these pages are just paper bags. And I will list my link for the paper bags in the description box below if you want to get those ordered and make your album. I hope this album has inspired you. I had so much fun making it, and I look forward to showing you how I did it. So please come back for the tutorial this weekend. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!